Hey there, and welcome back to the Ingrain Workshop. I'm Rick, and in today's video, today's video is going to the dogs. Which dog? It's not Dixie the shop dog this time, it's Mama's dog, Luna. So let's get started. So Luna is our family dog. She's a small dog, a Shih Tzu is the breed, and my wife is really attached to this dog. So a couple of weeks ago, while my youngest son was doing his chores and taking the trash down to the road, he opened the gate to take the trash cans down and didn't realize that Luna had gotten out, followed him down to the gate, and it went out into the road, and then as he came back, he shut the gate. Typical teenager, had his earbuds on, probably wasn't paying attention. We definitely didn't blame him, but it is what it is, and that's what happened, and she got out. And this was in the evening time. It took about 2 hours for us to realize right before bedtime. We usually let the dogs out for one last time before night. And we realized that she was missing. And at that point, everything just went chaotic. My wife was really traumatized by this whole incident. We searched the neighborhood with flashlights because at that point it had gotten dark and it became a dire moment. Eventually we realized that we weren't going to find her that night. So the next morning we got up. We put posters all up around the neighborhood. Luckily, she was missing for about 24 hours. One of our neighbors, about a quarter of a mile down the street, found her that evening, took her to her house, kept her at her house that evening, and then the next day when she got up to drive around, she saw our missing posters, and she contacted us and brought her by the house, and my wife was elated. But with that said, we're never going to let that happen again. And so that's when I came across the Apple AirTags. I'm a boomer. I didn't, I know a little bit about technology, but not that much. But I did come across this through my Amazon affiliate page. One of the customers bought these AirTags. I didn't even know what they were. I researched it a little bit, realized that you can basically AirTag anything. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to AirTag Luna, and I'll show you how we do that. Oh, and this is Luna, by the way. So this is the collar that we bought Luna after her great escape. It's on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the video description below to where you can pick up this particular collar. It's got her name on it, our address, and then my wife's telephone number. On the back of the collar, you can see here on the back of the collar, it's got an opening for an Apple AirTag. So I purchased an Apple AirTag, which I'll also leave in a link in the video description below. So we're going to take and install the AirTag into Luna's collar so she'll never get lost again. So included in the AirTag is the actual AirTag itself, along with instructions on how to connect the AirTag to your Apple phone. So to activate the AirTag, there's a tab that you have to pull out. This way the AirTag will make contact with the battery. As you can see here, I've opened up my wife's phone and it automatically recognizes the AirTag. We're going to select connect. We're going to give it a custom name. We're going to call it Luna. Let's see, it's asking for an emoji for the AirTag. So we're going to give it a doggy emoji. And now our AirTag is linked to our iPhone. And it's now connected. And we can see the exact location of the AirTag. So now we're going to take the Apple AirTag, put it in Luna's collar. And that's it. We just need to put it on Luna, and she'll never be lost again. So that's going to wrap up this video. I hope this video helps you out. I highly recommend getting the AirTags for the cost of $29 per tag. You really can't go wrong. There's no subscription fee or anything like that. As long as you have an iPhone, you can use the Find My Phone app on your iPhone and you can track your AirTag. Now you can get a pack of 4, and I'll leave a link in the video description below, which reduces the price to $25 each. So you can pick up 4 AirTags, one for your pets, one for your teenagers, one for your wallet, one for your keys, whatever you want to track. Your mobile table saw on the job site to make sure that it doesn't get legs and walk away. You can tag virtually anything. They also make waterproof enclosures for the AirTags. So if it's going to be in a moist, wet environment, you can protect them and make them waterproof. So I highly recommend it. Again, for the price, $25, just have the peace of mind that you're never going to lose something, or if something does get stolen, you can track it. It's well worth it. And like I said, there's no subscription fee. It's just the $29 or $25 flat fee for the AirTag. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. It really helps support the channel. Again, I'll leave the affiliate links to all these products in the video description. And I ask that you please use the affiliate links. It really helps us out a lot. Until next time, this is Rick with the Ingrain Workshop. We'll see you. Have a great day.